Let's say what is inside the box. This is the Apollo One speaker. This is the Apollo One. This one with speaker inside. Let's open it. This is it. Here's this one. Types. This is USB Type-C cable. Turn on.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
Inside the T, I have a pen.
You are now connected.
I have this pen drive to put it in. Let's put it in.
USB flash drive mode.
See how is the lightning? So because this one Portronics, if to
Bluetooth mode.
and,
You are now connected.
and this one is in aux mode.
Aux mode.
See, I told you nowadays.
Bluetooth mode.
So this is
You are now connected.
this look comfortable. Entered. Inside the TF card. If you like to see the video, please subscribe and share and comment this channel and subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.